are, dude. That is
You're gonna put it on your computer and you're like, oh, they love me.
Daddy, that was total face shot right there, and I was letting him know what's going on. His gay counter is at 16. We haven't even been in the car for an hour and a half yet.
It's getting real.
By the way, Luke. Alright, so Daddy's not letting me use Max C today in regionals. So I think everybody should comment on this video and tell him how much of a dick he is.
Not being a dick.
Because I'm using it. I'm using Exodia. I'm just saying it belongs on my deck more than it does his. Just saying.
Whatever.
Look at it. Oh, look at me. I'm Daddy.
Hey, $20 for that card, man.
Oh, $20.
Oh,
$20 for a card you use one time. And I just won't special summon that turn.
You don't special summon that much anyway.
Yeah, I do.
Rarely. Daddy, there's one card in my deck that special summons.
Played against before.
So I hope I play you. Because I agree my ass. You and two.
This is not.
There's no way we'll play each other. It's
if it happens,
Daddy,
I'm gonna lose.
You are sitting next to your son Brian, flirting with him, and you have a pedo stash.
Creeper stash.
So you're filming both of your sons. You get off on this kind of shit?
Whatever, man. Why do we put up with this crap? My eyes are so red right
Daddy,
now. It looks like I'm high as shit.
You're blowing it right now. You're supposed to be coming up with some witty comebacks right now. They don't know you. You can use ours. As long as we haven't used it yet.
Right.
But you're totally fucking it up right now.
You have to get approval from us before you use it because it's copyright. I can sue your ass off of that. Take a couple lawyers with that ass, but you know. My middle manager.
That's rough.
No love for you, Daddy. No love.
If you just let me use Max C,
It'll all stop.
it will all stop.
No,
If you let me use
don't worry.
Okay.
No,
it will 25% of it will stop. 25%. I'll quit talking shit for the rest of the day.
It won't
You
stop.
liar. You will
Start.
for the rest of the day.
Yeah, right.
Tomorrow there is no fucking promise. I'm gonna be the biggest dick bag in the world. But for today, if you let me use Max C, I won't be a dick bag.
No, I'll take my chances with you.
Alright, fuck you.
This is part of it. I hate crashing here.
What a dick!
156th Street. I fucking hate that. Dude, the last time I came
Hey, you say, whip out your junk and wave it at him.
What?
Warrior!
We just passed 156th Street.
Daddy, you see them golden arches, you're smiling right now.
Whatever.
Last one.
We already ate McDonald's. We can't pull over again.
151. Daddy, where are we turning?
For anyway?
Where's your GPS, dude? So how you doing today? Thinking mine. Hey, what about Brian? What's your record? Did Brian lose? I don't know. What's the plan? On. Record. What is it? What? What? My dad? No, what's your record today right now? 4-2. So happy? Yeah. What's your record?
Dude, 6-0.
Yeah, he's breaking it today.
Okay, because I want all the stuff that you're going to put into it.
Mark still playing? Or
Yeah, dude. Is it still playing? Why do you keep moving the camera away from everybody's face?
I don't know.
Dude, you just go like this.
Fine.
Suck it, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
A lot of people dropped.
I'm having so much fun now.
So many drops.
Dude, I don't care. I'm XO.
I'm 4-2.
Dude, you're only gonna probably get it off of my tiebreakers, honestly.
Maybe, let's see.
If I go the rest of the way.
You better.
Which I may not. I know it. I'm finally gonna get paired with one of us.
Yeah.
Me and you. Me and you.
Yeah, I mean, I'll smash your
I'm way
samurai.
too far ahead. I don't think so.
I'll smash that
I'm
samurai.
way too far ahead. Yeah, I'm not gonna get paired with you.
I definitely already got my invite too.
Yeah, despite the fact that you know I've already dropped.
Yeah.
It's not happening.
What's it play and win match?
Hey, watch my stuff.
Alright.
My new son.
Oh yeah, fuck you.
Look at record.
Yeah, I saw
Freaking 7-0. What the heck?
That's right, Daddy. Luke is 7-0.
Sacker. So hard. So he's giving me that deck profile now. And this is all over. He's giving it to me. You better.
Why is this not in my deck? I needed this in my deck today, but I did not get it in my deck.
Lucas.
Take that and
Lucas.
don't put it in your deck.
Profile up to your top 8.
Yeah, dude. Serious?
Cool.
You serious right now?
Come find me, of course. Work together, so whatever. I'm 4-3. Still though, I'm not doing that. I'll do for my own deck up later. 1 round to go.
Because of people being jackassing and side decking against me every game. Those things can't hold the side deck. Yeah, no, they can only hold up to an extra deck and the main deck. I don't use an extra deck. My extra deck today was just for me being a jackass. You guys clearly know what I'm using. I don't need my own little hero side deck or extra deck anymore. Please, son.
Daddy's recording this.
$10.
Yeah.
Okay, dude. I will give you that. I
$10
will
a
find a
piece.
way.
Freaking 7-1 right here. That's incredible. 4th place, wasn't it?
Yeah, dude.
What was the issue though at top 8?
Oh, you mean the...
I heard about it, something.
Oh, it's because I damaged some of my sleep during the tournament.
Huh. So they just had to get...
When I was a young boy, my father took me in.
I can't count the number of times I've watched Brian playing on Julian Network. They make him discard a card. He discards an Yugioh piece. They quit.
I was just like, alright, you can have that one. You can have it for now. You don't have to throw in your side deck.
Do anything, whatever. Like he discards an Yugioh piece. They quit the game.
Like, fuck this.
Like fuck, he's using Yugioh. Fuck this. They just quit. Brian's rating just keeps going up.
The guy, Mark, you're sitting beside him too. The people that were sitting in front of us, the guy was like, are you using Yugioh? And the other guy's just like, yeah, and shows him, he's like, show me a piece. The guy shows him one of the legs. He's like, I scoop, you win. And I'm just like, alright, if my opponent does not show up, I want a mirror match. Make my day.
Right? You're gonna be pretty shitty though with all the draws you got in this first.
Yeah. What's that?
Be pretty shitty though with all the draw power you got in yours and how they draw too. He got his Yugioh, we got yours.
It depends on if he uses appropriate.
If you go first, I like how they made the ruling appropriate, not a chain to appropriate. Because I would just think
An infinite chain.
yeah.
Are you recording, Daddy?
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
had
big
a
car.
conversation about Yugioh, the biggest baller.
Yeah, I can't believe you ran that today. I'm surprised.
Trolling like an asshole. Taking everybody third game except for one Inzector deck. The other Inzector deck I took third game.
Yeah.
And I
I
lost
hate
second
freaking
round because of
Inzectors.
play mistake. Set Morphine Charm, Dark Hole.
Daddy, you
That was rough.
The deck's not even funny.
I whooped some Inzector ass. How's that make you feel?
Bad. I don't like the deck at all.
My Memo Swan whooped ass.
It's 7-1. That's amazing.
Damn right I am.
Nobody is as me. I was just being that guy all day, especially when you're talking to that guy. He's like, what cards do you use? And he's like, do you use Tour Guide or Tour Bus? And I'm just like, no, we're poor. And I'm just like, wait, I'm the one that's poor. Zynga, and walked away.
Oh damn. Today was awesome though.
I heard stories about me all day today. Like, people were just like, yeah, I see this guy earlier using Yugioh, and he's talking about how one of my cards is worth $20 more than his entire deck, and I was just like, yeah, that was me.
Totally me, all day.
Yeah, we were chilling with him outside, and he just started talking about Brian.
He's just like, what deck are you using? You're 7-0 right now. And I'm just like, Yugioh. You use Yugioh. He's like, what's your build?
What's the build for your Yugioh deck?
That was rough.
Dude, if you top 8 with Yugioh, you know how sick that would be?
How butthurt everybody at regionals would be. I think it would have been fun if I had the empty jar side deck. That definitely would have baffled everybody.
Oh yeah.
Damn it.
Damn it.
That's exactly how it would play out.
So like, yeah, this side deck against me. Wait, oh fuck, what?
Oh, my crows are useless. Wait, this dimensional fissure is fucking me over.
Joke's on you, asshole.
Funny because
Should the side deck against me.
because when Brian does the empty jar deck, the deck is made to make the opponent draw so many cards, and then he plays hand destruction, and the opponent is going to be so far ahead on cards in the deck, he won't even need Needleworm. He'll just need Morphing Jar flipping up and flipping face down.
I should run 3 Pog Generosities. Your opponent draws 2 cards. Load their hand up, hand destruction, or card destruction. Set Morphing Jar in turn. Wait, I have to have Bubble Crush too. I wouldn't use Heavy Slump in the deck because that just fills their deck back up. That's just silly. Oh yeah. So I'm thinking about taking Morphing Jar out of my deck and side decking it and putting card destruction in its place. Because that seems so much better. So much better. It's like, okay, I have a bunch of useless shit in my hand. Hand destruction for 12, draw 12, good game. Magical Mallet and hand destruction. Put Yugioh back in. Hope I don't draw it.
So I'll end Riddle with. I don't want to see any more Inzectors.
You're gonna see more Inzectors.
Daddy, stop being butthurt about Inzector.
Daddy, you want to use Inzector, don't you? You want that deck, don't you? You want it. You want it more than that boom, don't you, boy?
And then